Hey everyone, Coder Steve here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect to your database and then explain a little bit about it. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll just go to my website, which is codetest.co.uk. I've been messing about on here, playing about with the colors, adding some bits and stuff like that. So all the lessons I do on this YouTube channel will display on this page also, so you can get the code examples and use the code on your own websites and own scripts or projects. So I'll show you how to connect to your database now. Firstly, you've got already would have had knowledge on how to create a database from one of my previous videos, and if you look in my database itself, it's changed a little bit. Databases, browse, I've got admin, lessons, users now. So I've changed it a little bit. So I can close that off and we'll go to the code. Right, when you want to connect to your database, you have to put a piece of code in, which is your database name, your database user, and your database user's password, which you create in the cPanel account when you create a database. So if we look at this bit of code on this file here, this is just simply one line of code which connects to your database. So this acts as a physical link between your PHP file and your database. So it starts with $, as a variable, MySQL I equals MySQL I underscore connect. Localhost is the start. Then you put your database user, your database user's password, and finally your database. That's as simple as that. So you can put that code in the top of any file should you want to do it that way, but I do it a better way by putting it using an include function, and I put a little file up the top, a little bit of code, sorry, that says include and then the connection file. And that's all you need to do. And that will connect your file to your database, and then you can do other stuff. Once you've done that, you know you're connected. There's nothing else you have to do connection side. So if you like my videos, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment below. This will be lesson 1 in this series. In lesson 2, I'll probably talk about how you can select stuff from your database, insert stuff into your database, or delete stuff in your database. But again, thanks for watching my video. If you like the content, please subscribe. Any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching.